Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another natural remedy of sea salt. If you're always lacking money, just use sea salt immediately to upgrade your life, to call for blessings, to call for miracles, and to be blessed in all corners of life, to be favored. You get my point? So how are we going to use the sea salt? So when we are going to use the sea salt, stand near the window or stand near the door, because the window or the door, that's where luck comes from. You manifest that God, the creator, you created this sea salt so I can manifest for abundance, you can manifest for wealth, you can manifest for good luck when you're standing near the window. So get sea salt in your hands and manifest. Today I will never lack money again. From today onwards, I will never lack anything in my life. Money will always flow on my pockets, my house, and I'm manifesting for prosperity. I'm manifesting for good life. After manifesting whatever you want to manifest, whatever you wanted to manifest, you get my point? After praying for abundance, after praying for good life, after praying for luck, after praying for love, you thank the universe. You thank the Almighty for blessing you, for bringing you all good things in your life, for receiving all the abundance in life, for receiving the favor, for being blessed in all corners of life. You get my point? After manifesting using sea salt, you have to thank the Almighty, you have to thank the universe, because you already received it. You already received it, and you're thanking in return. Just like someone has given you food and you say thank you. However much you have not eaten, but you first say thank you. Someone has served you food, you say thank you. Then after that you eat. Then after eating again, you say thank you for cooking. So that's how you're going to thank the universe. That's how you're going to thank the Almighty, because you already received it. Hope you're getting my point. So after praying and after thanking, put some little salt on your tongue. Then put also another little sea salt. I said sea salt. In your palm or in your hands. You stand near the window, you blow. Like, yes, I receive the abundance, I receive good life, I'll never lack, I receive good health. You blow through the window. After blowing through the window, you go and stand near the door. You stand outside the door and you blow the sea salt coming inside the house. Are you getting my point? You stand outside the door, you blow the sea salt that is on your hands, you blow it coming into your house, blowing it, directing it to your house, inside your house. So meanwhile you're blowing, you have to manifest whatever you want to manifest. So after doing that, get sea salt, you put in your basin, you put in your bucket, you put in your jerry can. First bathe. After bathing very well, that's when you use the sea salt. The sea salt should be the last sea salt on your body, the last remedy on your body. Don't use sea salt, don't use soap, don't use bathing sponge that you're scrubbing yourself with sea salt, First bathe very well, scrub yourself with the soap or with the bathing sponge, getting clean. After getting clean, that's when you should bathe with sea salt. Let sea salt be the last thing to use. You bathe with sea salt. After bathing with sea salt, you have to manifest. I forgot one thing. After bathing with sea salt, don't dry yourself. Don't dry yourself with a towel, with any cloth, with anything, leave it on your body to dry on your body. After drying on your body, you smear your lotion or you smear your moisturizer, because you can't go to work when you are pale. You have to first smear yourself on the cream or moisturizer or anything you use, then you go to work, or you can go to bed. So depending. So when you're going to work, you have to manifest for customers. In case you're a business person, you manifest for a business person. You manifest for your business. Like, as I'm moving out here, going to work, I'm going to receive customers. I'm going to receive money. I'm going to receive wealth. I'm going to receive extra and extra favor from all clients, from all customers. I'm receiving money today. So afterwards, you believe in yourself. You're calling for abundance in your life. You call for blessings in corners of life. You call for a breakthrough. You call for favor. You call for anything that you want to achieve with sea salt. You just manifest anything that you want to achieve with sea salt. After that, you move out. You move out. As you're going to your car, you'll be calling for favor. You'll be calling for wealth. You'll be calling for love as you're moving out. So you can do it as many times as you want. You can do it once a week. You can do it once a month. You can do it every day. You can do it all time to time, depending how fast you want it to work for you. You get my point? So I want you to comment in the comment section below and tell me how it has worked for you, and tell me the miracles you have received, and tell me each and everything in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I want you to share this video, because this video is very important to everyone. We are in this world to receive abundance. We are in this world to receive wealth. We are in this world to receive good health for your families, good health for your kids, good health for your relatives. We are in this world not to suffer. God created us natural remedies to use in order not to suffer. There's so many people in the hospitals. People are having different illnesses. People are having different diseases. So we have to manifest never to have such diseases. We have to manifest never to have such illness. We have to manifest never to end up in hospitals like other people. Because God created us and gave us things that will help us to overcome those disasters in our lives. How to come those miserable life, to come the misery in our lives. So people, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. See you in the next video.